Good afternoon, guys. How are you all today? It's a Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. O, diba? Afternoon shift si Beverly, biglang nagbago ang ang schedule But it's okay as long as you have work. Laban, laban, laban. Lakad na naman si Beverly kay papuntang train station para makatipid at maka-exercise na din sa pag-walking. T-shirt to. T-shirt to ba to? Hindi naman siguro. Talagang ganito lang. Oh, maagang nakarating sa shop. 3:20 Monday afternoon shift. Katadya. Nahangin.